friends. My name is Jessica. I like Paw Patrol Super Readers. And I like horses and season and stuff like that.
Okay, what do we have now? What do you have there, Emma?
Today we have a new toy. Which toy is that?
Pinkie Pie. Yeah, Pinkie Pie.
And helicopter.
And helicopter. And dress.
And dress. Nice toy.
And dress. Daddy, now can I open it?
Yes, now you can open it.
Yeah. No, I have to take tape off. I just broke it. Can you take the tape off? How do you not have the tape? It's on me still.
Look what we have inside. Look.
I want the helicopter. I'm Pinkie Pie.
Let's open it first.
I'm on the helicopter.
Look. We have a nice box. And
I don't have the helicopter.
let's open it.
And then we'll have Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie.
Look what we have inside.
Helicopter. Pinkie Pie. Look. Helicopter. Pinkie Pie, stop. I couldn't take Pinkie Pie out. Then can you do it for us? No, Mommy could. Can you do it for us? No, I will be the helicopter. Helicopter, time to take you to school. Just wait, Jessica. But it could drop. It could drop. It could drop. Can I have it? Sure. Hey, I want another pony. I want another pony. I want another pony, please. Yay! Oh, Emma was green this time.
Friends is coming.
Mine. Oh, I was green sky. Mama.
Pinkie Pie.
Mama, look.
Very nice. And Pinkie Pie wants to see the helicopter.
No, wait, she needs her pack. Hold this, Mama.
I can.
Want me to do something? Can it turn his head? Yeah. Good. Look, he can fly. Woo. She can fly. Okay, you have the one. And the Pinkie Pie is going to have a new dress to go to school like this. Can this go off, Daddy? Yeah. Yes, good. Well, she could put her backpack here. No, here. No, she's going to drive there. There. She has to put this on so she doesn't fall off.
We have her friend. She looks exactly like Pinkie Pie. The same size. Look.
No, this is her honey. This is her honey. Oh, honey.
You have another one. You have two exactly the same Pinkie Pies.
Yeah. Well, this one is like in a gift. Right, Mama?
Right. Three.
Three. Pinkie Pies. This could be Mama. This could be Daddy. This could be her friends.
You can
How
brush.
about this could be a friend?
Jess, you want to brush them?
No. I want brush too. You could have the I'm having the frozen one, and you could have the pony one. That's for ponies. No, I don't want this one.
You can do this.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
No, this one already have a pretty hair.
Look, you want to use this one?
Sure. Yes. Sure. How do you put it on?
I can help you. Let's do it. You have to put ears inside.
I
like
know.
this. Oh, look at this nice hat. Look at this. We can put it like here. Look. Very nice.
Look, you have to put it on her.
We have few shoes. Who wants to wear some shoes?
This girl.
Let's put
Mama.
She is pretty already.
Mama. Why does she only have two?
I know.
Why?
We have more somewhere.
There's another one.
Yay! We found more shoes. So she can go to helicopter in nice shoes, right?
Yeah.
Look at her, Jess.
Yeah. She could fly with that. It will be the helicopter.
And look what we have. We can put it like this.
No, Pinkie Pie needs this. No, Pinkie Pie needs to wear one. The yellow.
Maybe they want to have a tea party.
Tea party, yes. She pretend, Mama, pretend, all of her friends pretend this girl was driving all the way to the picnic.
Okay.
I need some more. But this is cool. I need Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash? No, Rainbow Dash. This is Rainbow Dash. No, I need these kind of Rainbow Dash. No. Wait, I need Rainbow Dash. I need a Rainbow Dash. Here's another Pinkie Pie. That's Pinkie Pie. Well, I need this kind of a Pinkie Pie. Wait, she needs to drive. No, she was driving all the way to here. Who wants to wear this? Ooh, I do. Hey, there. Wait, I don't have.
Maybe it's her birthday. Let's give her some balloons.
Me. No, it's this guy's birthday.
We have a birthday cake.
This is a cake. No, I want to have a little teapot. Please? Teapotty, please? No, it needs to stay on the table. This girl is going to water. Mom, I couldn't stand up. Just a cake. Have to eat the cake. This girl is going to water the plants. Not her hair is going to water. Hey, Pinkie Pie. Time to go to school. It growed. Wait, it fell down. What? No, that's not the mom. What is? This is the mom and this is the dad. Honey, Pinkie Pie, what, Mom? A fly.
Jessica, you can have.
Yes, yeah. Honey. that mom. You have no. This is not a mom. Yes, it is because it's light. This is dark, and once it's dark. Yep, this is dark. It's the dad. Honey. No, this is for. Honey. 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 Honey.
Yes. Hi.
No, that's not the honey. No, this is the honey. You could, Emma, Mama, you could be the honey. No, I'm being the honey. Honey! What, Mom? You have to grab your backpack to go to school. Okay, come on, Dad. I'm going to stay here, okay? Okay. No, this is school. I need to go home. Can I drive it because I'm being pizza? Okay. Here's your. You forgot your backpack. Hey, in my dress, in my blue dress. Where's your blue dress? I don't know. This is for Pinkie. Here. No, it's yeah. Here's your blue dress. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. I need this. Bye, friends.